In this video, we will solve a numerical that was asked in the GATE examination during the year 2022. The problem statement is given as a polytropic process is carried out from an initial pressure of 110 kPa and volume of 5 meter cube to a final volume of 2.5 meter cube. The polytropic index is given by 1.2. The absolute value of work done during the process in kilojoules round off to 2 decimal place is. To solve a problem, the first step is to write the data given. Initial pressure denoted as P1 is given as 110 kPa. And initial volume denoted as V1 is given as 5 meter cube. Final volume V2 is given as 2.5 meter cube. And the index N is given as 1.2. The next step is to identify what quantity we need to calculate, that is to find. We need to find out the absolute work done during the process, denoted as W1 to 2. Look for the solution now. This process can be plotted in a PV diagram. At state 1, volume is 5 meter cube. At state 2, volume is 2.5 meter cube. Therefore, it is a compression process. The pressure at state 1 is given as 110 kPa. The value of pressure at 2 is not given. To calculate the work done during this process, one need to know what is the relation between pressure and volume. That relation is given as PV power n equal to constant because it is given as polytropic process, and the work done during a polytropic process is equal to P1 V1 power n divided by 1 minus n multiplied by V2 power 1 minus n minus V1 power 1 minus n. So this is a polytropic process. That's why we use this formula. And this formula we derived while learning about PDV work during various processes. And this formula is an intermediate step. This can be further simplified to this form. But we use this equation because if you look at the data given, value of V2, V1 and P1 are given, but not the value of P2. So P2 is not given. And in this equation, no P2 is involved. That's why this is chosen. Alternatively, we can solve using this formula. In that case, first we need to find out what is P2 using the relation P1 V1 power 1.2 is equal to P2 V2 power 1.2. Now we will use this formula and substitute the values, which gives work done during the processes minus 408.92 kilojoules. Since it is a compression process, work is done on the system. That's why a negative symbol. But what is asked is absolute work done. Absolute work done is equal to 408.92 kilojoules.